Hey everyone, and welcome back to Changes in Attitudes, your channel for making the absolute most of your time here on beautiful Hilton Head Island and exploring the amazing South Carolina Lowcountry. You see these incredible views, right? The sparkling water, the peaceful marshes, some dolphins playing. Doesn't it make you just want to get out there on a boat? I know it does for me. There's truly no better way to experience the unique beauty of Hilton Head than from the water. But let's be real. Owning a boat, it can be a huge commitment. You've got the initial cost, sure, but then there's slip fees, insurance, cleaning, engine maintenance, repairs, covering it, winterizing, the list goes on. It can sometimes feel like more hassle than fun. So, what if you want all the joy of boating around Hilton Head without any of that ownership headache? Well, today I want to talk about a fantastic solution that I think is a game changer for a lot of people here. Freedom Boat Club on Hilton Head Island. We've been members for about a year, and this is our honest, unsponsored, unpaid, all the things opinion. Now, you might have heard of Freedom Boat Club. They're actually the largest members-only boat club in the world. But stick with me, because I want to focus specifically on why it's such a great option right here in our little slice of paradise. The basic idea is simple. Instead of buying one boat, you pay a one-time entry fee and then monthly dues, and that gives you access to a whole fleet of different boats. Think of it like a country club, but for boating. It's not a timeshare or fractional ownership. You don't own anything except the membership, which means you don't have the responsibilities of ownership. And if you're new to boating, no worries. Membership includes comprehensive training with certified captains to make sure you're safe and confident out on the water. Okay, let's dive into the big reasons why Freedom Boat Club makes boating so incredibly easy and enjoyable here on HHI. All right, the first question everyone asks about boat clubs is, can I actually get a boat when I want one, especially during busy season? And that's where Freedom Boat Club here really shines. Why? Because they have 3 fantastic home club locations serving the Hilton Head area. You've got Safe Harbor, Skull Creek, right here on the north end of the island, Palmetto Bay Marina on the south end near Broad Creek, and even Safe Harbor Port Royal, which is perfect if you want to explore the waterways up towards Beaufort. Having these multiple locations is huge. It means a larger fleet overall, more docks, and significantly better availability than a single location club might offer. You make reservations through their super easy online system or app. You typically get a set number of rolling reservations you can have booked in advance. So whether you want to cruise Skull Creek, head out towards Defusky from Palmetto Bay, or explore the Beaufort River from Port Royal, you've got options and flexibility. Okay. This might be my favorite part. Remember that long list of boat owner chores I mentioned? Cleaning, waxing, engine service, flushing the motor, fixing things that break, dealing with insurance, paying for storage, or a slip. Forget all of it. With Freedom Boat Club, you literally just show up and go boating. They handle everything behind the scenes. All the maintenance, the cleaning, the insurance, the storage. When you're done with your fun day on the water, you just bring the boat back, hand them the keys, and walk away. Seriously. Think about the time, the money, and the stress you save. It's pure boating freedom. Now, let's talk about the experience when you actually go boating. This is where FBC feels like a true luxury. You make your reservation, you head down to the dock at Skull Creek, Palmetto Bay, or Port Royal, and your boat is waiting for you. It's clean, it's fueled up, it's ready to go. But here's the best part. Their dock staff are there to help you. They'll assist you with loading all your gear, your coolers, your beach bags, your fishing rods, even help get the kids settled. It's like valet service for your boat. And when you return, same amazing service. They help guide you into the dock, which takes away any docking anxiety, and then help you unload all your stuff. It makes the whole process, from arrival to departure, completely seamless and stress-free, especially if you have a family or maybe aren't super experienced with handling lines and fenders. Worried you'll be stuck with old rundown boats? Not the case. Freedom Boat Club prides itself on having a fleet of newer boats, typically just a few years old, and the variety here on Hilton Head is fantastic. Based on what I've seen at the docks and on their site for our local clubs, you'll find comfortable pontoon boats perfect for cruising with a group. Versatile deck boats great for sandbar hopping or tubing. Dual consoles and rugged center consoles if you want to do some fishing around Port Royal Sound or near shore. Brands like Key West, Sailfish, Hurricane, Low, Bayliner, really solid names. This is another huge advantage over owning. Want a pontoon for a relaxed family cruise today, but a center console for a fishing trip next week? No problem. You get to experience different types of boating without being locked into just one vessel. If there is a downside, it is that you can only have 2 weekend reservations at a time. As people who still work, we find that annoying and difficult to make plans with. Since the really popular holidays fill up so fast, we always seem to have to use one of our weekend ones for that, leaving us just one other for our weekly trip out. So, who is Freedom Boat Club really perfect for here on Hilton Head? I'd say it's ideal if you love being out on the water but hate the idea of boat maintenance and ownership costs. Want access to different types of boats for different activities. Value convenience and that valet level of service. Plan to boat fairly regularly, maybe multiple times a month, to make the membership dues worthwhile compared to occasional rentals. Are a local, a second homeowner, or even a frequent visitor who wants consistent, easy access to boating. It really boils down to maximizing your fun on the water while minimizing the hassle. Easy reservations across 3 locations, 0 maintenance worries, incredible dockside service, and a great selection of modern boats. If this sounds like it could be the perfect fit for your Hilton Head lifestyle, I definitely recommend checking them out further. You can visit the Freedom Boat Club website and look specifically for the Hilton Head locations, Skull Creek, Palmetto Bay, and Port Royal, to get the latest info on membership plans and maybe even schedule a tour. Let them know you saw this video on changes in attitudes, and if you're already a Freedom Boat Club member here, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below. Alright, that's my take on a fantastic way to enjoy Hilton Head's waterways without the ownership grind. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And of course, if you want more tips, tricks, and insider guides to Hilton Head Island and the Lowcountry, make sure you subscribe to Changes in Attitudes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.